So we're going to take an example of rhetorical repetition from a really great speech that Barack Obama gave in 2012 at the Clinton Global Initiative on Human Trafficking. And what I want us to pay attention to is a couple of things. One is how he repeats intentionally that slavery at the end of these long descriptions, and then how he builds in pauses. So let's just look.
When a man desperate for work finds himself in a factory or on a fishing boat or in a field, working, toiling for little or no pay and beaten if he tries to escape,
Pause.
that is slavery. When a woman is locked in a sweatshop or trapped in a home as a domestic servant, alone and abused,
Pause.
and incapable of leaving, that's slavery.
Rhetorical repetition.
When a little boy is kidnapped, turned into a child soldier, forced to kill or be killed, that's slavery. When a little girl is sold by her impoverished family, girl's my daughter's age,
That was a big pause.
runs away from home or is lured by the false promise of a better life and then imprisoned in a brothel and tortured if she resists, that's slavery.
So you take these speeches and you listen to them and you think, wow, that's really good. But now we're starting to understand there's mechanics behind these that we can all kind of do.